Hi everyone, hoping that you all are doing fine. So guys, in this video, we will discuss about the MOU between CMA Institute and IGNOU Institute related with BCom and MCom. But in this particular video, I will discuss about BCom. I will also prepare a separate video for MCom student. And after watching this video, you have any doubt, you can ask me. So guys, you need to simply write CMA IGNOU MOU. Simply in Google, you have to write and you will get here. Okay. Simply you have to click here to download the prospectus. Although this is an old one, but I will also give you the revised one, the fees structure of revised one. So we will come here. The fee structure for foundation student. This is beneficial for those student who has completed the both group of CMA intermediate and only one year they have to spend, and within a year you will receive your BCom degree. Those student who has yet not started the BCom classes, or I have also observed that those CMA student who has already completed their BCom, but in their normal BCom they scored 40%, 45%, 50% or 60%. Okay, but for getting job in PSU or in campus placement, at least they require 60% or 65%. This is the criteria of some of the organization of campus placement. So they also pursue this and get 60 percentage or 65%. So this is a boon for all CMA students. CMA foundation student can also enroll, but for them 3 year will be the time period. But this will be the beneficial for those CMA intermediate student who has cleared CMA intermediate and want to pursue CMA intermediate. But although apart from this, for a knowledge purpose, I want to also share that also if any candidate has completed the CMA final examination, he need not to pursue BCom degree or a post graduation degree, MCom degree. CMA degree is itself graduation as well as post graduation equivalent to PG degree. So although for a provision basis, my suggestion to every student must go with the this BCom courses. Okay, you should do not depend. You must complete this BCom courses. So let's start. So guys, we have to if we have completed our the CMA intermediate, so we need to give only 4 papers. Okay, if we qualified the 4 papers, then we will receive the BCom degree from IGNOU University. Okay, you have to, what you need to do, if you complete your 4 papers of IGNOU, then you need to mail the result sheets of all those paper, foundation, intermediate mark sheet. You have to mail. In the link description, I will also share the mail ID in which you need to send all the foundation, intermediate and BCom result mark sheet. So here in the institute website, it is mentioned that 6,000, but it is 72,000 fees. Okay, apart from this, you have to submit for the assignment of all those 4 papers, from where you will get the assignment. Okay, and you need to submit your nearest you can say that college all the assignment is compulsory. Without assignment you cannot eligible for the examinations. Okay, so you just need to write the in Google IGNOU assignment. Okay, here you need to tick assignment. You can control F, you need to search, control F, you need to search BCom. So you will get here, yeah, BCom FCA. The latest one is applicable for you. You can download, and where you will get the answer from book, you need to search on the books. Apart from this, many when you visit your colleges, many people also provide the chargeable solution of the assignment. Okay, it will depend on you. If you want to buy the chargeable, you can also buy from online as well as Neeraj publications. Lot many are providing the solution of the assignment. You can prepare itself or either buy, or you have to, but it is compulsory. Okay, and after you have to fill the exam form. Okay, you simply need to write the in Google IGNOU exam form. Just simply you have to write the currently the exam form is not available, but from where you have to fill the exam form. So these are the procedure of ITNA. Simply after completing all these 4 papers, you have to mail to the, I will share one of the mail IDs. You have to provide foundation mark sheet, intermediate mark sheet CMA, and all and the result sheet of the 4 paper. Hope you understand that. So with this MOU, in a year you will receive your BCom degree. I have earlier also shared that those CMA final qualified student also, those has received 40% or 45% in the earlier graduation. for gaining the more 60 or 65 percentage, they also pursue this course. So hope you understand this. This is from my side. In next video, I will also share the information related with IGNOU MOU between CMA or IGNOU related with MCOM. I have also pursued my MCOM from IGNOU with this MOU. Apart from this, I will also make a video how to apply for the online admission for MCOM, BCOM with the IGNOU. So hope you understand that. Apart from this, you have any doubt, you can ask me. And in the link description, I will also share the mail ID of the respective, in which you have to share your all document of foundation, intermediate or mark sheet of BCOM. From my side, that's all about this video. You have any doubt, you can ask me. Bye guys.